we are going to finish our Frayer for the word insects. Can you say insects? We decided from looking at the text in the book, listen, that insects are small animals with 6 legs and a hard body. And we decided, and I saw all of your papers from the other day, that insects, these are the examples of insects. Grasshoppers are insects. They have 6 legs. Butterflies are insects. They also have 6 legs. Ladybugs are insects. They have a hard body and 6 legs. And bees are insects. They have 6 legs and a hard body. You guys did a great job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out some words that we hear when we talk about insects. A lot of you don't say, oh, there's a little insect. What's that word that starts with a b sound? It's another word that means insects. What do we call all of these things? They're what? Yes, they're insects, but they're also called bugs. Bug. What word am I thinking of? Bug. Bug. It's the word bug, and more than one bug, we say bugs. So we're going to write down the word bugs because that's another way to say insects. So go ahead. I want you to press pause on this video, and I want you to write the word that I just wrote, bugs. Press play when you're ready to begin. There's another word that we use when we think of these insects. Sometimes these insects can be very annoying. That means that they fly around us and we don't want them there. There's a word we use when these are annoying us. They're called pests. Can you say pests? Pests are something that is pestering you, something that's bothering you. Sometimes your little brother or sister may be called a pest because they're just all near you and you don't want them there. So the same thing with insects. Sometimes they're pests because they get in our face and we don't want them there, especially if it's a bee that can sting you. So we're going to write the word pests. Make sure this is a lowercase p. I think I made it a little too high. Pests. Go ahead, pause this video and write the word pests. All right, now we're going to think of a sentence. It says, I can use it in a sentence. That means we're going to use the word insects in a sentence. Do you remember the part of the book which season the insects were in? What's that season where it's really warm and we're not in school for most of it? It's the season of summer. Can you say summer? Good job. We're going to write this sentence. We can see insects in the summer. Repeat after me. Make sure I can hear you. We can see insects in the summer. Now you say it by yourself. Okay, remember when we go to write our sentence, we need to start with an uppercase letter. What is that word that we call that special uppercase letter that leads the other letters at the beginning? It's the capital letter. We're going to start with the w. We're going to do an uppercase W. We. And make sure you pause this video if you need more time to catch up. And then after our word, we use our bridge space. Somebody took my bridge space. Make sure that you are using a popsicle stick or something flat. This crayon is not flat. It is not the best bridge. because my marker will go rolling around as it crosses the bridge. So I'm going to walk over carefully. We see, and I'm not talking about the letter C, I'm talking about the word see. We see. Go ahead, I want you to pause this video if you need more time and then press play when you're ready. We see. Now I ran out of room. Do I keep writing on the table? No, we go to the next row or the next line. Do we need a bridge space at the beginning? Is there a word over here that we're separating from another word? No, we don't need this. We see, we're going to write the word insects. Oops. Make sure you put your C in there. And then do a bridge space. Press pause if you need more time. Walking over my rolly bridge. In. The. Ran out of room. We can't write on the table. Go to the next row or the next line. We see insects in the. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Press pause if you haven't caught up. What do I need at the end of my sentence so I can breathe a little? Yes, the period. Make sure you do your period, and then we're going to reread the sentence together. Press pause if you need more time. Press play when you're ready. Now I'm going to read the sentence by following with my finger. I want you to watch, and then you're going to read your sentence to me. We see insects in the summer. Go ahead. I want you to read this to me. Put your finger under your sentence and read each word. Go ahead. All right, you guys did a great job today. We have finished our insect Frayer. We are going to go to the next lesson. Great job, everyone.